We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 9I. Let's go on in. This is the top floor of this 9-floor elevator building. One feature that we have on floor 9 and also 8 is a dishwasher. So studios on floors 8 and 9 will have the dishwasher in the kitchen. You've also got the refrigerator, the microwave. There's the sink with a sprayer. There's the oven and stove. You've got some assorted cabinets and drawers. Across the kitchen setup is the bathroom. Let's take a look in there as we're going by. The bathrooms in all the studio apartments will be the same. You'll have that full-size tub shower. There's the vanity, and then there's the toilet and a cabinet on the wall over to the left. Okay, let's go into the room. The other difference on floors 7, 8, and 9 is the air conditioner will be the built-in model, so it's not taking up one of your windows. That means you can open both the windows. And of course, the best feature up here on the top floor, floor 9, is you'll have the best view. Look at that gorgeous view we have. We have that beautiful valley view. That's looking directly to the west. If we go over this way, that's a south view. So south valley views that way. And we're gonna go over this way. That's to the north. That is Cayuga Lake. So that's a beautiful south lake view. That's the south end of the lake. I'm gonna zoom in. So you can see you've got a gorgeous lake view from here in this apartment. So these 9th floor apartments will have the best views. The apartment size and shape is the same. Every other unit will have the bathroom and kitchen on the opposite sides. They're mirror images. You can see the closet over there. Again, the furnishings will always be the same. The bookshelf, the dresser and desk and chair, and a dining table and chair, closet. We're in apartment 9I. There are 5 of these studio apartments on the 9th floor. The building is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're here in central Collegetown at Collegetown Plaza. And we're just 1 block from campus in this beautiful top floor studio.